completed here something. Already we completed up to layers na. Layers topic we completed. Next topic is blocks. Okay, why we are using block? Anybody know? I think some persons already know AutoCAD na. Okay, do you know block procedure? Okay, uh, tell me. Wait, Kronal. One more person's. Tell me. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, that is also applicable. Next, block also one of the saving file na. We can create some libraries based on our requirement. For example, regularly you are using 8 terminals. Okay, that condition you will create one block for that 8 terminal, or otherwise if you have any elbow you can create for that also. Directly you can change your angle. Okay, it is also one of the saving file you can use anytime, not only in this project. For example, if you need to use after 6 months, after 3 months new project, that condition also you can use this block. Okay, block also one of the library. Directly you can select and you can import, you can place in this your project which type of equipments you need in your HVAC. First you can create that all equipments. For example, you are working in your one project, that condition how many equipments is there. For example, 8 terminals and elbows like fittings. And if you have any other, you can take that one also and you can design. Mostly we are using 8 terminals, and section use condition we are using, and mission components is there na, fan selection, that type of situations also we are using. Only components condition we are using. And now I will explain one simple concept. Just you can see, this is my rectangle for example. Okay, in this rectangle I have one more like this. I need to do block this one. This is one of the component. I need to do block this one. Here we have two types of blocks. One is temporary blocks, second one is permanent block. Okay, temporary block means only applicable for current project, not for new projects. When you open new, that is not applicable. When you will do your temporary block, only for current. When you will do permanent block, you can use anytime. You will use new projects also. Okay. Temporary block shortcut is a B enter, nothing but a block we consider as a temporary blocks. When you consider write block, that is a permanent block. Just you can consider B enter. This is block means temporary block, automatically open like this. This is block definition dialog box. In this box, just you can observe here, first of all asking name na, you can specify your block name. For example, that is 8 terminal, you can mention here 8 terminal. Okay, next you can select your pick point. In placing condition, this is block item, I need to place in new project. That condition definitely we need one reference point. That purpose you can select that. For example, based on center point, I need to place my block. You can select that is my base point. Next you can select object, how many objects. For example, in this drawing area we have number of objects now. For example, we have floor area and any walls is there, windows is there, plumbing fixtures is there, we have number of components is there, but I need to select only 8 terminal. That's why you can select your 8 terminal. Select object condition, what is your requirement, you can select that objects only. Okay, next in this three option you can use convert to block. For example, if you use delete block, like mirror type, original object deleted, duplicate item automatically saving in your block library. Convert to block means both are is there. Just you can select convert to block and click on OK. For example, if you select this one, open in block editor, automatically open your editing option. For example, I don't need this one, just you can select OK. When you selected OK, just you can select this one. At a time select na, at a time selecting our components. In case I need to edit this one, for example, I need to place this type of 8 terminals number of places, just you can mention insert. Okay, we created temporary block. At the same time we need number of items now. You can I enter, already we created block, that's why we have 8 terminal here. Okay, directly you can place it here. Okay, in case if you need to rotate this one at 45 degrees or 90 degrees, that condition what you do means, here we have angle, you can specify here 45 degrees your angle, and click on OK. Then you can see you will get like this. Okay, based on your rotation you can apply your rotation also. If you need 90, you can apply 90 also here. This is applicable only for current project. For example, you will take new sheet, Control N. Okay, now you can press I enter. We don't know file location. Okay, that's why this block is not applicable. Definitely we need to do which one? Write block. For example, I need to do write block. Write block purpose you can mention W enter. All of you note down these shortcuts. Okay, block is block, B enter, write block, W enter. Block is a temporary block, W is a write block is a permanent block. Okay, you can mention W enter. Just you can see in this write block, here we have source, block is there, entire drawing is there, objects is there. Okay, objects means already we know in our drawing area what is our requirement. Based on our requirement we need to select our objects, but you will take entire drawing. Entire drawing means automatically selecting all items, but we no need entire drawing. Block means already you did this one like temporary blocks, that temporary blocks converted into write blocks. Okay, already we have temporary blocks. If you need to convert that one, you can select this one. Okay, automatically hiding this one. Why? Already we created temporary block, we no need this all. If you need to create these two blocks, this one highlighted, same as well as temporary block type procedure. First of all you can select pick point, and next you can select objects, next you can mention this convert to block, and you can save file location at here, same process. Now already I created temporary block now, then you can select this one and go at here. Here we have 8 terminal, that is our temporary block, you can select this one. Okay, now here we have file location and path. Just you will go here, file location. Okay, when you click here where you need to save this one. For example, I need to save a desktop. Actually if you need this library, you can create one folder and you can save. Present I am using desktop. Okay, 8 terminal desktop. Next click on OK. Okay, I created permanent block. Now you can open new project. For example, I need to use it here, already we have, directly you can use. If you need to browse, you can use this one and go to desktop. We have 8 terminal and you can select open. Okay, directly see this one. For example, I need to use a new project. Go to drawing 2. This is new sheet now. You can mention I enter. Now you can click on browse. Now we know now file location, go to your file location. If you have C drive, you can go in C. If you have D drive, you can go in D, and you can select your file and click on open. If you need any orientation, you can apply orientation and click on OK, and you can place where you need, you can place that place. Okay, this is white block. We can use any time, after 6 months, after 3 months. If you need new projects also, that is applicable. Okay, now we completed temporary block, permanent block, means we completed temporary, permanent block and write block. Next we need to discuss about block editor. For example, I created this one. I need to add supply symbols like crossouts, and here I need to add 2 more rectangles. Okay, that condition how can we edit means, we have one command that purpose also. You can mention B edit, block editor shortcut, you can mention B edit, or otherwise you can click on double click also, B edit. Okay, automatically open this edit block definition dialog box. Now click on 8 terminal. Okay, now click on OK, then automatically open like this. Okay, now if you need directly, you can draw which type of editings you need at here, you can use that type. For example, I need to mention like this at here. Okay, I need to add 2 symbols also here. you can edit only one, automatically changing all. Okay, now you can close your block editor, save the changes to 8 terminal. See, like this. If you need this type of changes, you can use that one. For example, I don't need this one, I will create one more here. This is my rectangle, simple thing. Okay, next you can create block for this one also, that is double to name. You can select pick point here, you can select this base, select objects, you can select your item, enter. Okay, if you need this one, directly click on here, open block editor. Okay, automatically opened like this. Okay, but we don't need that one. I need to open this one again, double click here. When you will give double click, automatically open like this, double to okay. For example, I need to edit this dimension. Okay, in AutoCAD, dimension editing is possible or not possible? Tell me. In AutoCAD, possible. How? Anybody? See, for example, this is rectangle now. Here we need to apply our parameters. Okay, just here we have parameters, just you can see, and here we have one palette also. Okay, why we means I will explain this one also. First you can listen this parameters. Editing purpose we need this one. Okay, just here we have linear parameter now. You can click on here and you select this one, you can select this one. Here we have 5.5 rectangle, this one. Okay, if you need edit this one, directly double click here, you can mention 10, but only one line increasing. I need to increase both sides now parallelly, this line, this line. I need to increase both. That condition what we need, what we do means we need to apply our constraints. Constraints means relation. We need to apply relation for these two lines. Okay, here we have our relation. Here also you can get constraints. Constraint nothing but a relation. Okay, this line compulsory we need parallel to this line. That's why you can select parallel. You can apply it here and here. We have parallel. Now you can increase your distance. I need 10. Why? We need to give for this one also. For example, you can change this one. You can apply it here. Parallel, parallel. Okay, now you can increase this one. Increase now. For example, if you need to increase this side, when you will do block, you can apply this all dimension. In editing condition is easy. For example, if you need to use new project now, see, sorry, if you need to edit this one, you can apply again 10. Okay, close now. These dimensions are not visible. In blocks condition, when you will apply your parameters, that parameters not visible in our area, but you can apply these dimensions, it will be visible. That's why you can use block dimensions. Editing possibility also applicable here. Okay, you can edit 12, will get like this. Based on your requirement, you can apply that one. Okay, here we applied constraint now, that's why changed both. Definitely we need to mention our constraints. Okay, and we need to, here we have coincident. If you need this one, you can apply that one also. Okay, next, these all are constraints. Okay, why we need means directly also you can apply that one, that's not a problem. Now I will take one small line here. For example, this is inclined line now. This line I need to convert it into horizontal and vertical directly. Okay, actually we are using rotate option for conversion purpose. Okay, directly also applicable. Here we have parametric now. In this parametric we have constraints actually. If you need this one, here we have horizontal and vertical. If you need to change that one, directly you can select this one, you can click on it here, changing like this. again come back once. I need vertical, you can select this one and you can apply like this. That is based on your requirement, you can apply. I have one more line like this. I need a horizontal now, this one. Okay, here we have some gap, I need to join these two one. Here we have coincident, you can select this one, this point, at the same time this point. Okay, which one you selected first, automatically second item moving at that first point. Okay, next this is concentric. Concentric means, for example, you will take circle, this is one circle and I have one more circle at here. Both are not non-concentric, means this center is different and this center is different. That condition what you do means, you can select this one, you will get same center. Like this type of situation applicable this one. And you know perpendicular, parallel, tangency, you know already this one. Collinear means you will get same line, inline options. Okay, if you need to apply parameters directly, you can apply parameters also. Here also applicable your parameters, that's not a problem to you. If you need edit here, you can edit directly like this. Okay, if you need apply your angle in elbows condition, this is very useful. Not for HVAC, in plumbing condition it is useful. In HVAC we don't need this one. Why means, based on our routing we will give our double line ducting. That condition we don't need this one. Okay, if you need to hide this one, here we have hide all, dimension hide, show all, you will get, and delete constraints. Okay, only this one constraint hiding purpose. This is parameter, show or hide all. Here this dimensional parameters is in a hiding this purpose, and here constraint, sorry, this constraint hiding purpose, show all and show all. Clear na? If you need to edit any dimension, you can apply. Now this is our top view, 8 terminal top view. For example, I need to apply 8 terminal front. Okay, in section condition or front condition, how can we apply directly? How can we change means, that is also applicable. You can select this one and just you will give double click here. Okay, this is one thing, and you will go to parameters, actions. Okay, here we have visibility, just you can click this visibility and you can place it here, you will get this drop down. At the same time, when you will mention your visibility, automatically highlighted this one. Here we have visibility states, click on this visibility states and click on new option or otherwise rename. Okay, for example, this is our top view, you can mention top view 8 terminal. Okay, next I need new. Okay, here we have some options, you will take hide all existing objects in new state. Okay, you need to rename for this. What is that means? For example, side view of 8 terminal. Okay, now click on OK. When you mentioned OK, automatically hiding this object, then you will create your side view. For example, we have 10 distance now, you can mention here to here 10. Okay, at the same time I need one more line, this line is a, for example, 7. Okay, now I will take one height here to here, I need 2 or 2.5, only for example this one. You can select this one and move this midpoint, where is this midpoint, to this point, and now you will take like this. Now you will select and delete. If you need to join this one, you can use join. Okay, and you can use S stretch. If you need to decrease this size, enter how much of decreasing you need. Sorry, you can add this wall J. Okay, directly you can close block editor, save the changes. Okay, now you can select your option. See, here we have one drop down button. Just you can select. We have two, top view 8 terminal, side view 8 terminal. If you need to change directly, you can change like this. See, if you need top, you can use. That is based on your requirement. How many views you need, you can add that much of views here. How means, in function keys or control keys condition, I explained control 3 tool palettes. Okay, control 3 I explained tool palettes na. Directly you can mention TP also, tool palettes purpose. Okay, here we have this type of blocks. Okay, just you can select this one. Which type we need? I need metric block here. For example, I need this vehicle. See, I placed it here now. For example, in this vehicle you can see how many blocks is there. Just you can select this one. Where is our drop down? This is our drop down. Just you can select this drop down. This much of views we can add easily. If you need top, you can use. If you need rear, you can use. That is based on your requirement, you can use. How can we create that views? Means based on this block editor, you need to apply visibility and view states. That condition applicable this one. If you need to change any dimension, you can apply dimensions also. Here dimension means like a parameters. You need to apply parameters here, not a dimensions. Okay, clear this one. This type of blocks we consider as a dynamic blocks also. Why means, here we can change our blocks, at the same time we can change our dimensions also. Okay, that's why we consider as a dynamic block. Dynamic blocks means nothing but a this one, views changing and dimension changing. Okay, that is we consider as a dynamic block. Okay, these are normal blocks, temporary permanent blocks. Here now, is there any doubts in this block concept? In this block we have totally 4 commands. What is that 4 means? First one is block. All of you write this one. First one is block, shortcut B enter. Okay, second one is write block, shortcut W enter, write block. Third one is block editor, shortcut B edit enter. Okay. W, write block purpose W enter, block purpose B enter. Okay, next block editor, shortcut B edit enter. Next, in dynamic block also we can do in block editor na. Next, insert shortcut I enter. That is dynamic block is a name only, we call as a dynamic block. Some interviews asking what tell me procedure of dynamic blocks. Okay, or otherwise asking what is dynamic block, they will ask like that. Okay, that's why I explained that one. Dynamic blocks is a name, same procedure. Okay, insert purpose I enter. We need to import and we can place in our drawing area na. That condition you can use insert I enter. Okay, next you will write 2 more options. That is, first one is design center, shortcut DC enter. Design center, shortcut DC enter. Next, tool palettes. First one design center DC enter, next one tool palettes TP enter. Otherwise control 3, design center shortcut control 2. If you need control 2 you can use, or if you need control 3 you can use. Design center control 2, tool palettes control 3. Why we use this means, design center is a default Autodesk library. If you need anything from the Autodesk, we have some library here. See, first of all you will go to home. Here home button is there na. In this home we have ENS folder, design center. Okay, In this design center we have separate folders: heating, ventilation and air conditioning, hydraulic and pneumatic drawings, and house designer drawings, and house planner drawings. Fasteners means nothing but a screws, nuts, bolts. US like inches, imperial condition and metric condition. Next, electrical. If you need to design any circuits, you can use this type of symbols here, electrical symbols. This is a binary code, CMOS integrated circuits. This is completely easy electrical when you will design your binary code system. And this one is basic electronic symbols. This one, just you can see. If you need to create any type of circuits, you can create by using these blocks, or otherwise you can create symbols and you can save in your blocks also based on your requirement. If you need kitchen appliances or kitchen equipments, you can see oven. In section condition you can apply like this, or sink. Okay, complete kitchen layout. If you need, you can use that one. For example, I no need this one. In case I need pipe fittings, you can use this one, blocks 90 degrees Y fitting. Okay, 45 degrees elbow, cross fitting, T fitting. Okay, which type of you need, you can select that one, or otherwise you can design. Okay, all are applicable. If you need welding symbols, you can use welding symbols also. Okay, if you need any industrial type, for example HVAC designing and drafting means you can see your machinery equipments. Actually, if you need condenser, you can use condenser symbol, condensing air unit. And connection, flexible connection, you can use this one, connection flexible, both is there, this type and this type. Okay, evaporator, this is evaporator symbol, evaporator coil, this is evaporator fin, this is evaporator coil, this is fan and motor with belt guard, fan motor. Next, heater feed with air outlet and heater unit, air injector, mixing box. Okay, pressure gauge, if you need this one, pressure start, steam turbine, thermotype. Valve, if you need valves, you can use this one, three-way valve, automatic valve, you can. Okay, this is all this one. This is hydraulic and pneumatic, we no need this one. When you will use for example motor condition, pressure gauge, pressure switch, compressor we are using this one. And counterbalance, wall check, wall mechanical, this is completely mechanical. When you will design mechanical equipments, okay, we have hydraulic circuits now. Okay, hydraulic circuit condition, we need this one. Or pneumatic, for example you will take power pack hydraulic cylinders. Okay, that type of situation we need this one. In HVAC designing and drafting we don't need. Okay, if you need any blocks, you can create and you can see like this. Next, TP, tool palettes means already we opened. This is tool palettes. Here also you will get your dynamic blocks. Okay, what is the difference of design center and this one means? In design center, views changing is not applicable. Okay, design center blocks, here we have drop down, this drop down and view changing not applicable, but in tool palettes applicable. See, here we have modeling, this one is construction constraints and annotation. If you need any annotations, you can use this one. Okay, if you need arrow directly, you can use like this. Okay, next one is architecture. If you need doors, windows, trees, you can use this one. Mechanical, if you need bearings or hexagonal nuts, you can use like this directly, hexagonal bolt we have default. If you need to change anything, same drop downs we have and you can change like that. Okay, if you need electrical, these all are electrical symbols. Push button, if you need push button symbol, you can use OK and you can place. This is our push button. Next, civil type, for example if you need to mention any manholes, okay, any type of, for example speed symbol, this one RPM, you can use road dividing, 2 sections or 3 sections you need. See, if you need more section, you can click on this drop down and you will get, for example I need 4-way. See, this type. If you need road junction point, you can use this one. Okay, under structure, these are blocks. If you need direct iron, see, this is our R-frame. This is not a HVAC, I am explaining about overall AutoCAD. Within 2 days we will complete our AutoCAD. We have properties, groups and utilities only. these three topics. After we will come to our HVAC designing and routing. Okay, today this is our class. Is there any doubt? You will ask me. We have only less than 1 minute is their time. If you have any doubts in this, no, blocks is very important. You will note down this all. Definitely I will send that. Okay, bye.